Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be talking about a vegetable called beetroot. How many of you know beetroot? I know most of you must have seen it, but then because you might not know the benefits and the importance of buying a beetroot or having a beetroot as part of the vegetables which you would buy. Today, I'm here to tell you more about beetroot. Beetroot is just like any other vegetable that is being sold in the vegetable store. Like, for example, when you go to the vegetable store where we have the cabbage, the carrot, the green beans, there is also a vegetable called beetroot. It's deep purple, or we can say wine red. It depends on how you want to classify it. But today I'm here to tell you about this vegetable called beetroot. It is fully loaded with so much vitamins and minerals that you could imagine, oh, how can this vegetable look or have so much vitamins? And today I'm going to break it down in a very simple way that you would understand. And when next you go for your vegetable shopping, you will have a beetroot as part of the vegetables which you are buying. So today I want to tell you that beetroot is a class of vegetables that are low in calories and have so much vitamins and mineral. In fact, almost all the vitamins and minerals that you need for your body to function properly is contained in the beetroot. And most especially, the beetroot is rich in folate, a vitamin that plays an important role in the growth and development and heart health. They also contain good amount of manganese, which plays a vital role in the bone formation, nutrient metabolism, and brain function. Eating beetroot as an athletic. Who are athletics? Athletics are those that are involved in physical exercise like running, footballs, and other outdoor games that involve tedious practice. So those set of people called athletes, they need the beetroot as well for them to be able to perform. Because they are exerting so much energy, they would need oxygen. Their oxygen needs to be improved so as to improve their endurance. So if they are able to consume beetroot 2 to 3 hours before beginning their exercise, they are going to see a great improvement. Beetroot is also good for proper digestion. Are you having digestion issues? Are your foods unable to digest when you consume them? Try having a beetroot and see what happens. The man, it's you. It's you I'm here for. The man. Beetroot, it's a very important vegetable. Very important vegetable for men. Are you having problems with short? Are you having problems with the flow? People that are having issues satisfying their partners, eh? You need to try this vegetable and see for yourself. It's not bad to give a trial, but a trial, I promise you, would be enough to prove to you that the beetroot may be all you have been looking for all these years to satisfy your partner. And then I would also say that there are so many ways in which you can uh, consume this vegetable called beetroot. Now, you can wash them properly and peel the back and cut them in nice slices, like nicely. You cut them nicely and have them as your salad or together with other vegetables. Also, you can juice it. You can juice your beetroot and then drink it. Have it as a juice. It's so good. It tastes so good. Also, this beetroot, you can combine it with fresh tomato and carrot. When you combine it with fresh tomato and carrot, you blend them together. If you want to sieve it, fine, but you can have it like that. Once you blend these three vegetables I've mentioned, beetroot, carrot, and fresh tomato, then you can chill it if you want to have it cold, good. If you want to just take it like that, it's okay. It's perfect. It's perfect. And health is wealth. One other benefits of taking the beetroot is, in as much as it helps in proper body function, you would also notice one thing, that the color of your skin will be improved without you maybe applying any cream or anything on your skin. Once you start taking these beetroot vegetables, you would notice that your skin color improves, your strength improves, your energy improves, and your entire well being is upgraded. So, why don't you choose beetroot as one of the vegetables that you would include in your next shopping? Thank you very much and see you in my next video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button so as to miss out from my weekly videos. Thank you very much.